majority of the points here from set 4 to set 5.
Musafat, now serving, taking category, plus 18 for Alpha Insurance. Abelona, cross-court, power hit.
If Signal has Louis right now, Alpha Insurance has Havelona scoring 2 points already off the bench in this set.
8-10, it's Hinzon. Nice pass by Louis, he gets it back, tipping it through, hole in the middle.
And that's a first off touch coming from Louis Ramirez. Smart move.
You have 3 men checking in for Signal. As you take a look at this replay, Ramirez catching everybody off guard. Maatras na yung players ng Alpha Insurance. Umandal in, Silang in, De La Noche in.
Again, the depth of the lineup in full display right now for the Super Spikers.
Ball put up by Barbie. Abelona. Saved by Ramirez. Umandal off speed. Good chance to counter. They send it to Abelona. Oh, what a block! Was that Louis?
Yep. He's stepping up, leveling up in all departments right now. Talking about Louis and Ramirez. Take a look at that one. Swing block and press in at the right time against Casas.
Now 4 match points for the Signal Super Spikers. Motol got a hand there. They save a point, 11-14.
But pressure clearly on the side of Alpha Insurance right now. Can't afford any errors here. Baptista has done a good job playing as a service and defense specialist, but he will be tested right now.
He has to do it 3 straight times for them to survive. Timeout here for Coach Dex.
First, simulan natin sa magandang pasa. Once the class to full class, ngayon ko yung same play. Kay Louis, back. Yeah. We can put the ball here. Ha? Receive in 2. Okay? Now, sunod ka, Loy. Kay Louis. Okay? Pero skilip ka rin. Pag mag-commit dito, pag hindi mo commit, pwede mo iwan ako. Okay?